Years old. So yeah, old already. So let's head back to our feeding first before we discuss further because Bruno is very hungry now, so excited to eat. So please do not put your fingers or your arms unless you want to be fed by our crocodiles. So please do not put long your arms because for crocodiles they can jump 4 feet long. So all enclosures na mga inani na ang mga crocodiles sa sector. Nagtuon na mga crocodiles, so please be careful lang. Okay? Okay, we already know that crocodiles are carnivores. However, here in Crocodilia, we only feed them chicken. So chicken na rin lang kanan. Ang crocodiles, para kayo na sila makaon. So, nalagay na. It's a matter of seconds sila makaon. Okay? So, take a video na ito. Dali lang kayo na makaon na itong mga crocodiles. Okay? Okay, very excited daw. Nag-wait lang siya. Okay. 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 One chicken down per Bruno. So as you can see, as long as it's fit on their mouth, they will just break the bones and then directly swallow na. Dili na nila usapan, nilaro na bitso lang yun. So dali rin kayo na mukha na itong mga crocodile. So imagine kung tao na ang kanon sa itong crocodile, dali na kayo tamalaboy. Okay? Yes. Pero chicken na ito, feed there sa Crocodilia. We don't feed humans there, ha? Chicken regular. Yes, ito ka chicken iyahang kanon. Okay. Thank you so much, Kuya. So as you can see, dali lagi kayo na mukha na ito mga crocodiles. Yung may question, is it enough ba ni Bruno or nakapaganahan na volunteer? Naglakangan daw si Bruno. Abay mag-volunteer? Yeah, me. You take Bruno? Yes. Sure, eh? Hindi na rin na mabalik. Feed yourself. Feed yourself. So yes, it's just enough for Bruno because even though they have very acidic stomach that they can digest the bones and then the feathers, they have very slow metabolism of the mga crocodiles. One reason, 2 chickens lang na ilang kanon